How to connect a pressure switch on IntelliROL curve to NBC. Item required: wire cutters. Safety: always lock out power source and follow recommended safety procedures. On the ITR curve, locate the pressure switch. Please note, shown in this video is a left-hand curve. Using the wire cutter, remove the zip ties. Uncoil the tubing to reach the logic module and pressure pan. Cut the tubing between the logic module and the pressure pan. Use the press to lock hose T to connect the tubing from the pressure switch between the cut tubes. Zip tie the extra tubing and tuck inside the side channel. The pressure switch should turn off the ITR curve when product accumulates. For more maintenance videos, visit MHS-Conveyor.com.